All right, man. So we back. You feel me? And just got the knock at the door, so you know what that means. Big boy package time. Pause. But nah, man. So it's a few more things I'm still waiting for to come in the mail. Still got to get the reinforcement bumper piece back. I just got the confirmation from the company that they was gonna do the refund. They took forever to do that, so that's part of the delay. And y'all know how shipping going with the whole Corona thing going on right now. So you know what I'm saying. Everything just taking time, and I'm doing my best to not give y'all no corny content, man. I don't want to do that. You know what I'm saying. I'm trying to keep it all the way 100 with y'all and just let y'all know where everything at. It's just taking a little time. You feel me? But in the meantime, in between time, I know I got that wide body splitter waiting to go on the body. You know what I'm saying? And there's gonna be a few of y'all that's mad at this. A couple of y'all can already guess what's in this box, but stay tuned. Now, sorry, cause I ain't had no box to send back that bumper in, but now we got one. Y'all ready, man? I already know they gonna be so mad at this, but yes, sir. The guard is here. Yes, sir. So y'all know I ain't got the bumper put on yet, but I had to get the guard, baby. It's a brand new bumper, man. Everything new, you feel me? So we gonna treat it like that. Y'all see Panda in the cut, you know what I'm saying? But we gonna treat it like it's new, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm not wasting no time trying to put this together, so it don't make sense that I cheat on making sure everything's safe. You know what I'm saying? I know people go, oh, it look like this, it look. Don't care. Y'all know I don't care, man. It's my build. I'm gonna do what I want to do with it. You feel me? So and on top of that, man, I honestly feel like on certain colors, like the F8 green, the Destroyer gray, it's a couple colors where I feel like that yellow, like it really, it just accent it right. You feel me? Like you can see that F8 green or that Destroyer gray right there, man. It just accent it right. You know what I'm saying? So I just thought it was a nice touch. You feel me? So that's gonna be it for now. I'm just playing, man. We got more, man. So y'all just gonna have to wait. We gonna fast forward to when I go get these parts. I might go pick up the bumper, even though I'm still waiting on some parts, and just bring it to the house, man. Cause I kind of want to start putting it all together, just so when I am ready to do the switch and I get the parts, I can just go ahead, you know what I'm saying, knock it out. So time lapse. Tried to tell y'all, man, it's going down, bro. I ain't playing no more games. About to get this swapped out. As soon as I get this replacement piece, they keep bullshitting with, you know what I'm saying, sending me my stuff back, waiting on the refund and all that. The Corona shit got stuff a little slow, you feel me? But as soon as I get that shit here, man, we gonna slap that on. So probably, I'm hoping it's supposed to be here today. They said by the end of the day, but you know how the FedEx people be. So we gonna see, man. But in the meantime, in between time, bro, what? What? Mans is wild. What you say? Yeah, you was just going crazy. Mans was just going wild. Get them good. Oh. Oh.
Them boys still steaming. That's that good old hibachi. Ooh, you can see the wire hanging right there. Man's just went crazy. Said, fuck it, we got some new tires in the shop.
Package we've been waiting for finally touched down. I ain't even video it. I was so geeked to throw it in, man. But you see it, man. The reinforcement is here, so we about to go ahead and put this together. And I'm gonna probably have to wait until tomorrow to throw it together, but y'all see it, man. It's here. Feel me? Yeah, it's here. Look good too. So tomorrow. Alright, man, so it's about to start raining, so I ain't had too much time to really show y'all everything that was popping, so I'm gonna try and give you a quick little run through, you feel me? So it's real simple to get this bumper off, man. You really ain't gotta do too much. You just gotta get a couple rivets out. So you pop these rivets right here. This. 06. I messed up and went ahead and took some extras out, but it's all good. You just keep those pop ins. Like I said, man, never fail. As soon as I get a little bit of progress, it gets to raining. But, you know what I'm saying? We got a little something going. A little something. So, I got as far as I needed to, as far as the get over and switch the bumpers over, you feel me? So I just gotta switch the hardware over and then switch out a couple of the little like electronic clips. And then, weather permitting, man. We're gonna have the conversion done, baby. So look at Celine down there looking like she done went to straight war. Shit. She looks so good. I tell you. So like I said, man, we're gonna get back in here. Throw these like a panda down here scurrying around. So we're gonna get back in here. Turn up on these parts. I just gotta move these harnesses over. Take some of this hardware, switch it over from the old bumper to the new boy. You feel me? Got everything lined up. Just gotta plug and play now, man. And as soon as the weather let me, man, we gonna have the rest of this done. So y'all stay tuned. All right, man, so my nigga Jeff came to the rescue. It was out here raining. I ain't get to film as much as I wanted to, man, but it's on there. It ain't as tight down as I want her to be, but she is on there. So, a few more things I gotta do. I gotta put the weather strip in. I gotta put like 3 more bolts on there. And then I gotta put the splitter on and all that. But we damn near there. But we damn near there, man, so y'all stay tuned. Just keep rocking with the kid. I know the content kind of shady, but like I said, man, it's raining. It ain't really too much I could do. I ain't about to mess my camera up so we can get footage. So y'all just got to bear with me. Eat. Front bumper looking so good, man. Y'all know how life be, man. One thing after another. Come out to go to job and somebody done busted the whole window out, you feel me? It ain't shit, man. I ain't tripping at all about that shit, bro. You feel me? Like, life got minor setbacks, you feel me? You stressing out over little shit like that, your life gonna be fucked up all day. This ain't shit but some money, you feel me? So, I'm gonna do like how I do with everything. Make the best of what I got, you feel me? So, anybody got a window out there for the kids, shoot that to me most definitely. Spade, y'all know I'm gonna be getting at you. Yeah, man. So, I don't know what we going, or what God God got for me through this whole situation, but just gonna stay positive, you feel me? Try and find something.